Hi guys. Oh, that was really loud. You might upset that viewer because you're supposed to be the calm one. So
Are you going to be calm and I'll be loud this time? And I have no alcohol in me, so I'm just saying.
Yeah, well, this is a box called Glossy Box. I think it's a $21 a month, and it's like a beauty box, right?
This box is beautiful, you guys.
Yeah, it is. I often worry about companies that spend a lot on their boxing just because then they don't have as much money to put stuff in it. So I'm curious to see what's in here.
All right. I think that's like the thing for me to read for you.
Now look at, they really package it nicely.
Isn't it beautiful?
So.
Oh, it looks like it's supposed to be full size, I think.
$21. Let's see what you get for 21 bucks.
All right, show them the box inside first.
All right, Cindy wants you to see the box inside first.
Yes.
All right.
All right, here we go. Let's see. Tell me what we got first.
First thing is Yensa Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow.
It is worth $15 for that size. For an extra radiant boost, slip this primer underneath foundation, or even better, radiate naturally by wearing this primer alone.
Where do you prime? Like under your eyes?
On your face.
On my face?
How does it feel?
I don't know. It feels like I'm putting something on my face. I don't know. I can't see what I'm doing, but
that's all right. All right, well, let me know how it feels afterwards. And
does it look any different?
No, well, it looks smoother, actually. Okay. And what they do is with each product, they give you like a coupon code if you want to try it, you know, buy it again. Buy one, get the second product 20% off using this code. Get it for 15% off.
That was a highlighter, and now this is a highlighter. Another highlighter.
No, that was a primer highlighter.
Oh.
Okay, so now this is by DWTN Paris Eau de Tint highlighter, valued at $25 for that size.
All right. So I've got the primer on. Ooh, comes out a little wet.
Debbie didn't put on any makeup so she could try all this stuff. How does it feel?
I like it. It's thin. You know, I've been using that Tarte tape stuff, and it's so freaking thick.
It's not a foundation. I'm just saying. It's a highlighter.
Oh, I thought it was a foundation. Is my face beet red?
It's a lightly powdered cream highlighter.
Oh,
for subtle vibrance and glow from within, mix your highlighter with your foundation. If you're looking for a warmer sun-kissed look, there are 3 other shades. So you mix this in with your... Actually, it doesn't look bad.
With my Tarte.
Yeah, so you just mix this with your foundation and you get kind of like a nice subtle glow.
Ooh, and then she's got a mascara.
Manna Kadar Beauty Bloom Volumizing Mascara, valued at $29. That better be some darn good mascara.
Ooh, I like that.
Oh, look at that.
I like the twisty bottle thing. I'm not going to put it on my eyelashes because this is Cindy's mascara, but there's the, can you see the way it's shaped? It's like a twisty one as well.
Oh, that's very cool.
And the color, I think, is like a jet black.
I always like mascaras. I haven't had to buy mascaras for months and months because I get them in the beauty boxes. So,
all right. So
I'm happy
item
so far.
3.
There's some new products to try. A highlighter to mix with my foundation.
And this is Don't Despair Repair
by Brigio.
I have a bottle of this already. I got it in another.
Really?
I got it in another
box.
The
feature value is $14.
I already use this.
Do you?
Yeah, it's nice.
You can keep it then. Be sure to spritz conditioner on the ends. Okay.
Yeah, I already use it.
I think I remember seeing
because the ends of my hair get really, really dry.
All right, here's a big bottle of something.
Okay, so the next thing we have here is Rebalancing Cleanser, a facial cleanser with mandarin orange found in Japan.
Rice water, which is rich in vitamin B and C and promote daily skin firmness. Gosh knows, we need that. think you have to take that off, yeah, so it doesn't.
Whoops.
Debbie is cap challenged. Now she just broke it.
Yeah, I did. It's still gonna Yeah, it's working. I just had a...
all right.
Oh, it's like a clear. It's not like a creamy. It's a clear. Ooh.
That's a cleanser now. Don't
Smell
put it
it.
on. Oh, that does smell really good.
Yeah, it's like totally like, the box is empty.
All right, I like this box. This is my first time getting it.
go.
So I am, first of all, I love the box, so I'm keeping the box. But yeah, this will be some fun products to try. So what our kind of our goal is to pick our favorite products, and Debbie and I are going to try all this stuff out in these boxes and then come back at you with, you know, what we think of the products, and just kind of do like one video with our favorite products from that month's box.
From all the different boxes, yeah.
Yeah, so it just gives us a chance to use it. Otherwise, we just throw it in a box and it sits there forever. So, all right.
All right.
Thank you so much for tuning in.
That is our glossy box for the month of... Did this come in March?
Yes, it did.
Yeah, we're a little behind. I'm in the process of updating my house to put it on the market, so I've been really busy through the month of March, so Cindy had to put off some of the boxes because I just couldn't get together with her. So we're coming at you with a couple more boxes this evening, so stay tuned.
And subscribe.
It's down here.
Oh, yeah, it is over there.
Hit it. Go ahead. I dare you.
See, and then look at this clock back here. So when we change our tops and try and fool you, you'll see that only 5 minutes.
I'm not changing mine anymore. I'm done with it.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So thanks for taking a few minutes to be with us, and hope you have a good night. Hope we put a smile on your face with my cap challenge sister. And we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.